factory of 464. So 464, it can be written as 2 and 232. 2 times 232 mean 464. 232, it can be written as 2 and 116. 2 times 116 mean 432. 116, it can be written as 2 and 58. 2 times 58 mean 116. 58, it can be written as 2 and 29. 2 times 29 mean 58. So now we select the prime numbers among these numbers. So prime numbers here is these all 2 and at last this 29. So we can write 464 is equal to product of all these prime numbers, that is 2 times this 2 times this 2 times this 2 and times this 29. So this much for today and thanks for watching.